We got our worms in. Jim's gonna unload them and unpack, and you could probably just put that paper right directly in there. It's not gonna hurt anything.
Yes, it'll contribute.
This is supposed to be a pound of worms, so
It feels like a pound.
yeah.
Let's see how they.
These are red wigglers, not the night crawlers, but the red wigglers.
They're worming. There's movement.
Look at all those little creepy crawlers. Oh, that's nice.
Just leave them just like that. They look good.
Well, I'm hoping they'll start eating all this stuff in here. We may want to put a little water down on them. So the paper they will eat if they haven't already started chewing on it. And we've already got some food down inside, ready to go. Look at those little worms. Welcome to Two Dogs Barking. Woohoo! Now we've got a fully stocked worm farm. We're gonna sprinkle them a little bit with some water, get them energized. And we're good to go, rock and roll. Make me some pretty dirt. Sorry about the background noise, that's the HVAC system going. And there you go. And now we're going to close up the lid that Jim created and put the lock on so the raccoons can't get into it, and we're good to go.